phrase strikes fear in the heart of anybody who's ever shopped for health insurance. Pre-existing conditions, ones that disqualify you or make your insurance more expensive. The list is mind-boggling. I'll run down some examples in just a minute, but here's one that may take your breath away. Domestic violence. I'm not kidding. Take a look. 7 states, plus the District of Columbia, they do not have laws that bar insurance companies from rejecting men or women who are beaten up by their spouses. Now, as I'm sure you're aware, Congress is trying to rewrite health care rules for everybody. All of the various reform plans would bar insurers from denying anyone based on pre-existing conditions. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi took up the cause just moments ago.
Think of this. You've survived domestic violence, and now you are discriminated in the insurance market because you have a pre-existing medical condition. Well, that will all be gone under this legislation. In its totality, when we present the bill, and that will be soon, I think all Americans will see that this is very important legislation.
Democratic Senator Patty Murray tried to change this. 3 years ago, she proposed a law that would prevent insurance companies from denying coverage to abused spouses. Her measure died in committee, but she isn't giving up. Senator Murray joins me now live from Capitol Hill. And Senator, I know you were at that event where Nancy Pelosi was just moments ago, but I want to ask you, how can this even be considered a pre-existing condition? Domestic abuse, I mean, that's appalling.
It is appalling, and I first heard about this many years ago when I was talking to some women who had been victims of domestic violence, asking them what their barriers were to getting out of this situation and leaving an abusive spouse. And one of them told me, I can't leave because I have a sick child, and if I leave, I will be denied health care insurance. Another woman told me that she did not report her domestic violence because her health insurance company would drop her. I didn't believe them. I checked it out, and to my surprise, it is considered a pre-existing condition by some insurance companies, and they do deny health insurance to a woman because of that. I have been working since that day to ban this practice in this country.
So how do you identify domestic violence as a pre-existing condition? Because as you just pointed out, many men and women don't even talk about this or admit to it.
Well, what I asked the woman who told me that she had been denied, and she said, if you go to the doctor and you have, and they talk to you and you obviously have been beaten up by somebody, that's part of your medical records, which your insurance company gets, and therefore they can deny you coverage because they have that knowledge.